So I'll be using my Olight flashlight that works really well. One cool key factor about it is it has a laser and it does shoot really far. I used to use this flashlight when I used to work graveyard. And here you can see that the O-ring is all ripped up. So we're gonna take this out. And then gonna put a new one in. There you go. It's in there correctly. The only way you know you put the O-ring in there correctly is that when you put it to use, the water should shoot straight and narrow. It shouldn't go all over. It shouldn't go shooting to the left or to the right, or you shouldn't get any water coming right back to you. And then put the cap back in. And there, that's how you do it, you guys.